Holy shit, man. I've been just asleep for about 4 hours. And then I watched this BMX movie on my office, half of it, and then I went home to watch it again. And yeah. Yeah. Hey guys, it's Friday. And you know what that means? It's now time for our bold review. Dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And based on the scheduling we are going moving forward, we have determined the movies that will be impacted during the BMX content blackout. So hear me out. April 4, Stepdaddy is going to be banned. I mean, it's going to be delayed. And then April 10, sadly, nakasama si Rian Rivera, who I'm really high into in these recent days, is sadly impacted with her new movie, Sausawan. Kasama pa si Karen Lopez doon, so that would not be a disappointing movie, hopefully. Yeah. So their reviews will be moved to the following dates. April 13 will be Sausawan, because I want to watch Rian Rivera first. And then April 14, we're gonna watch Stepdaddy, which is a Christy Imperial movie. Sino kasama nun? Si Astrid Lee ba kasama niya doon? I don't know. Let me check. Astrid Lee. Astrid Lee. May Stepdaddy, di ba? Stepdaddy. Then, Scorpio Knights 4 has been on a tough predicament. Okay. Yeah, it's Astrid Lee. Alam ko yung masungit ang mukha ni Astrid Lee. Jamila Obispo is back! Holy cow! Okay. Okay, now we're talking. Now we're talking. Okay. So, yeah, that's gonna be our roadmap for the coming week, for the coming BMX content blackout. So I mentioned Scorpion Knights 4. This movie has been going back and forth. February, March. Pero na-realize sila is it's on the Holy Week. So, nag-aayuno rin ang BMX. They moved it to March 31. So, that would mean that it is on. It will be on the other blackout, which is the production cutover. Okay. So, ang mangyayari dyan, I will be moving the review of Scorpio Knights 4 from March 31. Okay? I will move the review of Scorpio Knights 4 from March 31 to April 3. Okay. Which is one day before the blackout. So it is going to be the pre-show of the blackout period. So I'm just gonna make a formal announcement on it. Let me just take a screenshot of this one. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay, and I will make a post on my Facebook. What made it pause? Okay. I'm not sure where it paused, but I'm just saying on April 4, before April 4, which is the content blackout, I will be reviewing Scorpio Knights 4 on April 3, Friday. Okay, I think that's some schedule some schedule adjustments that I'm going to make. Okay, let's go at it. It's Friday, and you know what that means. It's now time for your bold review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And today we are taking a look at Abot Langit, starring Alia Raimundo, Gio Yoshida, the cleanest BMX leading man that I have ever seen in my life. And this bitch right here. Pangalan niya. Pia Zel Fernandez. Okay, Zel, are you a basura? I don't know. So this is a story of JC Tan and Alia Raimundo's relationship. So si JC Tan si Patrick and Alia Raimundo is Bunny Bear. Okay? And ang kwento nito, magjowa na steward students sina Patrick at si Bunny Bear. First of all, I've never seen a steward na lalaki. So I just learned that they exist somehow. And second of all, I think Alia Raimundo does make a good stewardess. No cap. I think bagay sa kanya maging stewardess. Okay? So, nagtalik itong si Patrick sa si Bunny Bear sa simula. And then we got their usual steward lessons. Ang nangyari, nakilala nabangga ni Patrick itong si Zel, who is playing the character of Pia, at nagtalik sila sa CR. Unknowingly, nasa kabilang CR itong si Bunny Bear at pinakikinggan niya si Patrick saka si Pia na nagkakangkangan. And I think the scene between Patrick and Pia is one of my favorite scenes in this movie. I mean, not one of the best scene in this movie. The best mature scene in this movie. Although this movie, Abot Langit, is a bit tamer than the past releases ng BMX, where you got man rape, gang rape, oh my god, I said the R word. Ano pa isa? Nipple sucking. Dito, medyo tame. Medyo kangkahan lang. Agad itong napuna ni Bunny Bear at nanlamig ang relasyon nila ni Patrick. To the point that Patrick isn't even active in this when they are having sex in bed. It's always Bunny Bear that gives the most emotion, the most strenuous action sa sex. Doon sa sex nila sa kama, after they pass the exam, I think, yung celebration, nakahiga lang si Patrick at si Bunny Bear, siya yung gumagalaw. Okay? So, that's it. Things went to a head turn when Gio Yoshida plays the character of Emil. Seriously, linis niya. Lahat ng lalaki na nag-lead sa BMX mukhang tambay eh. Yung medyo kayo mangge, okay, medyo mabuhok. This one is a white boy. This is the first white boy since Roy. Na Yan mo ba, iglesia kasi si Roy eh. Kaya siguro nawala, di ba? Pero, it is what it is. Si Emil, played by Gio Yoshida, started to flirt with the top star na si Alia Raimundo, si Bunny Bear, and they get along pretty quickly. To the point na nagtatalik na sila. At dito, nagalit itong si Patrick for getting a taste of his own medicine. And then, some quick scenes later, between Bunny Bear and Emil, nalaman ni Bunny Bear na hindi lang siya yung tinitira ni Emil, kundi iba pang mga steward students. And he is being accused as a maniac. So, by the graduation time, nag-set up sila ng entrapment. So, nakipagkangkangan itong si Emil with a gauntlet of stewardess, including Bunny Bear, Pia, and other girl. Okay? May other girl dito. And nahuli siya nung direktor nung Asian Pearl Airlines kasi narinig na umuungol. And Emil got fired. And I think that's where the movie ends. Pretty anticlimactic. Pretty simple lang yung storya. Walang resolution kung nagkabalikan. I think nagkabalikan naman siguro si Emil, ay si Patrick, saka si Vaniver. So, good for them. Good for them for using cheating as a way to fix the relationship. Sana all. Okay, so let me just rate this movie pretty quick and we're up to a good start. I am making this video really short because later we will have the review of Batang Quiapo, ang huling laban ni Tanggol. And okay, I'm just gonna go with Alia Raimundo on week for the second movie in a row. Better step up, sis. You better step up. Okay, mamayang gabi, Batang Quiapo, ang huling laban ni Tanggol. So mamamatay, they're gonna do it. They're gonna kill up Coco Martin. Okay. So yeah, this is my review of Abot Langit. Thank you for watching. Peace.